So next up, guys, got a nice looking day cab here. So this is a 2014 Peterbilt 386 coming from a local company. Would have kept it fleet maintained. Oil would have been changed regularly, serviced, all those things. Got right around, I think right around 480,000 miles, guys, and maybe 18,000 hours. I'll make sure that's verified with the listing, and you'll have all the proper numbers right there. It does have a wet kit. It's got a Cummins ISX 15, 450 horse diesel motor, Eaton Fuller 13-speed transmission. Air ride, guys. Full lockers. It's got a good headache rack. This rear rubber is in excellent shape. Kind of see the amount of tread you got left here. Air sliding fifth wheel. Like I said, headache rack, good tires, aluminum rims. So I'm here with Stevie. He's gonna fire it up. I'll give you a nice demo. So it's right up there, guys. Obviously dual exhaust. You got a good Cummins diesel. 13-speed. Wet kit, nice day cab. Just kind of set up good. I'll go forward and reverse here just quick, and then it might loop it around the lot quick for you. They drove it in here, so as far as shifting and going down the road, good to go there. You got power windows, power locks, the interior and everything. It's dirty, but it's not real beat up or anything. It does have a chrome bumper. It's kind of bent. Aesthetically, really, on the exterior truck, that's the only main thing. And then one of your mud flaps is bent to the side a little bit too. So she goes in a good circle. Like I said, they drove it in. Got air ride cab. So as far as the basics, all working good. I think maybe there is a couple lights on the dash, but I might check with the company and see if they know if there's anything that needs to be disclosed. But good truck, guys. Wet kit, Cummins, Eaton Fuller 13-speed, headache rack, full lockers, just kind of set up nice. So there's a demo on the 2014 Peterbilt 386. Good luck with auction time, old 20.